Good morning, everyone. It is 9:33. I'm about to leave to go meet up with my friend for breakfast, and I'm pretty excited. We're going to Chick-fil-A. So, yes. So, I'm obviously back from Chick-fil-A from going out to breakfast with my friend. It was really fun. I really absolutely enjoyed it. Yeah, I'm glad that I went with her. So, actually, so I have the Chick-fil-A app, and if you're a college student, comment down below if you're a college student, because I can help you. So I have a Chick-fil-A app. It's like really amazing. So you just create an account, and then like use your email, create a password, whatever, and then you scan this when you get your food, and you can get rewards. So I got 62 points. I'm pretty happy about that. So, by the way, this is not sponsored by Chick-fil-A, but Chick-fil-A, please sponsor me. Thank you very much. That'd be amazing. So yeah, just scan it. Want to go get food or drink or whatever, get some points. I have 937 points until I am a silver status. I just started using it today, but like I signed up like a week ago, maybe. Helpful. You guys can get like free rewards. I hear that you can get like free food, like if you like use it a certain amount of times or whatever. So yeah, scan it every time that you go. So that's exciting. Yeah, so right now I'm just gonna do my art quizzes and homework, and I'm going to take my quizzes for art. Exciting. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do, and then I am going to the WINTHROP women's basketball game. Super excited. It's our last home game before the tournaments and whatever, so I'm excited for them. So I obviously got back from the game, and it lost 67 to 76. Right now we're about to go get dinner. Hello, we are at Walmart. Hi. And we are going to go get some things to make some cookies. So we're gonna get sugar-free chocolate chips, okay, some bananas, and peanut butter. So we're back from Walmart. We got bananas. And sugar-free chocolate chips, like the best ever. Sugar-free chocolate chips. So we're gonna make some flattened cupcakes. COOKIES.
Flattened cupcakes. Because you say that because that's his word for treat.
Yeah. So
I got markers. They're the best.
Yeah. So we're gonna make some oatmeal COOKIES.
For this video, we'll say flattened cupcakes.
Yeah, we'll say flattened cupcakes.
So when we're saying
we need to get oatmeal.
When we're saying flattened.
So right now we're going to clean up the kitchen, and then we're gonna make the COOKIES.
This is music.
I'm so excited.
No,
are you excited, Charlie?
Flattened cupcakes.
Clean up the kitchen, and then we'll update you guys once we're done cleaning up the kitchen. Look at those, yay! I wonder what he's thinking. We'll put thought bubbles above his head. No, don't tease him. Because now he thinks he's gonna go in. Okay, we're gonna go, and we'll update you guys once we're back.
So we're putting them on the baking sheets.
My hands are all like wet and sticky.
So, Hannah in hers, she put
chocolate chips, but they're sugar-free.
Chocolate chips.
Peanut butter. Bananas.
Peanut butter. Where's the bananas? Bananas.
I'm not putting peanut butter in this next one because they're all bananas.
She also put some vanilla. And I put in mine, I'm gonna put some chocolate chips, I'm gonna put some berries. I put oats, I put some bananas, and I put some cinnamon.
Can you focus on this? And I'm gonna do it in slow motion.
But in mine, I'm going to put the berries and chocolate chips on top.
So pretty much I've just been watching YouTube videos, and also my sister and I finished making those cookies. They're downstairs. They're in a container because I put them in one. But right now I'm about to start getting ready for bed because we're going to church in the morning. So yes, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's vlog. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please comment down below, like this video, and subscribe to me. Bye guys, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.